Video number 106, using Cramer's rule to solve a 2x2 system. Now, for this 2x2 system, guys, Cramer's rule is pretty easy. This is probably one of the best strategies next to elimination. To solve for x, what you need to do is take the determinant with respect to x and divide by the determinant matrix. And we're about to show you what that is in a moment. To solve for y, you're going to take the determinant with respect to y, divide by the determinant matrix. Okay? Now, here's what D is. D is going to be the determinant matrix with the coefficients 2, 5, negative 7, 11. So there's your determinant. All right, that's going to be your denominator, right? 22 take away negative 35 is 57. There it is. So there's the denominator of the answers. Now we just need to find the numerator. So how are you going to find D sub x? D sub x is going to be this. You're going to take your original matrix and take the x coefficients and replace them with the 10 and the negative 30 with the constant coefficients. Bam, here you go. So now you have 10 and negative 30 when you cross multiply here to do the determinant. 110 minus 210 is negative 100. So therefore our x value is going to be negative 100 over 57. There it is as a mixed number. Of course you can probably leave it like this. Just check with your check the directions. Maybe they want a decimal. D sub y, again, all you're going to do is take the original matrix and replace the y coefficients with the 10 and the negative 30. Bam, here it is. You cross multiply negative 60, take away 50, and that gives you negative 110. So therefore, the y value equals D sub y divided by D, negative 110 over 57 is negative 1 and 53 57ths. All right, pretty sweet. So when would Cramer's rule not work? Okay, here's Cramer's rule. There it is. When would it not work? When the denominator is 0. When the determinant is 0. Okay, that's when the Cramer's rule would not work. When will that happen? When the lines are parallel or the same line. So take a look here. These lines are parallel, aren't they? Right? Both going to have a slope of what? Negative 3/5. Okay. Well, when you cross multiply, whenever you have two equations at the same slope, the determinant is 0. You get 30 minus 30. This is going to happen every time. Okay. So that's the limitation on Cramer's rule, and this is what you would do for a 2x2. Any questions or concerns, send me an email. Good times.